So I just moved into my new host family's house like 2 days ago, and I'm already sick, and I had to cancel a Labo party today because I'm too sick, and now I'm making lunch. It's the first Labo party I've had to cancel, and tomorrow I'm going on this big trip, so I have to rest.
I just got my hair cut and permed again, as you can see, and now I'm in a cafe. My host mom is working for like a few hours, so no one's at the house, and it's locked. I don't have a key, so I have to just chill out here for a bit. Had some lunch, now I'm gonna work a bit on my study project.
For work right now. Crazy loud. I have to wait for like 20 minutes for someone to pick me up. I have to do another bunch of workshops this weekend, and I don't know anybody there. I don't know who speaks English, so it'll be quite a challenge, but I'm excited. And then after that is just parties and then camp, and then nothing. It's coming to the end of my stay in Japan, which I'm sad about, but getting paid.
So I've gone on a few big trips now this summer, but like every time my phone has been out of space and my camera has been out of battery. Now this time I'm going back to Kyoto, Osaka, Nara, Kobe area. Waiting for my night bus right now. They're so much cheaper than like planes or Shinkansen, and like not only is it the transport, but it's also like a hotel because you get to sleep. So night buses are pretty awesome. The one I use, the whole website is in English, so I'm certain that I'm getting the right one, and they're like really luxury and women's only, and it's just awesome. So I'm just waiting. It's about almost 11. My bus is at 11:15. I arrive in Osaka about 7 a.m. and then I meet up with my friend and go straight to USJ. Don't even put my bags anywhere, just shove them in a coin locker and off to USJ.
So I'm waiting again for the transport to another trip. This time I'm going to Tokyo to see a concert with Charlotte. And then the next day I'm hopefully going to see my brother and go to Skytree.